About 20 years ago, the Volunteer Lawyers Network partnered with Park Avenue Church to establish the Park Avenue Legal Clinic. And since then, we've served about 8,000 people. I really think one of the most important services that is provided through clinics like Park Avenue Legal Clinic that are operated under Volunteer Lawyers Network is the fact that they are walk-in. People can walk in and get on-the-spot quality legal advice, a brief service, whether it's making a phone call, negotiating some sort of settlement with a landlord, writing a letter, and a really good referral for a more fuller service.
When people come in, some people sit like halfway, sideways to you because they're tentative about even being there. They could be embarrassed about the issue that they're dealing with, or they feel that they have a language barrier that they don't know that can be addressed because we have interpreters who will work with attorneys who aren't bilingual. And so it's a place that I think if it weren't there, there'd be some people who they wouldn't have their legal issues dealt with and resolved.
I am Francisco Marquez, and I came from Mexico, and I've been here since 1995. Park Avenue Legal Clinic, they helped me with all my paperwork, and I was very happy to them because every time I come over, they're always happy to see me, and I always happy to see them. Like I come over to see my family to help me out with something.
Immigrants are persons who say, you know what, I want to immigrate to the United States, I want to make this my home, and most often, and I would also like to file for citizenship, but that's not required. So Francisco would have obtained his permanent his residence through marriage to a U.S. citizen, which many people do. In Francisco's case, valuable service was we can take a look at the facts of his individual circumstance, make sure that he meets all the requirements in order to file for naturalization. And that's why they're there. We're serving low and no income people. You're serving people who are working their fingers to the bone, doing the best they can do, but they're at the low end of the totem pole in our society, earning, around minimum wage.
Now more than ever, we need legal clinics like Park Avenue Legal Clinic with immigration lawyers on the spot, helping people understand immigration law so that people don't become victim to unlawful practitioners of the law, so people know what their rights are, so people who have things that they're eligible to apply for do so. There's a lot of fear and uncertainty in the community overall because of the current climate we're living in. And so to have somewhere to go that's a safe place. We're in a church, and some of the other legal clinics that VLN has are in churches. So people feel safe coming to a church and getting legal advice.
They helped me with my citizen stuff, and after I done, I brought a surprise, a big cake to them. And then I have a lot of opportunities for myself and my son, my family. And I'm so happy to be in the United States, to be a citizen. And I want to say thank you to them very much.